Newholland 325i. Right side, cylinder 2, cylinder 4, cylinder 1, cylinder 3.
Wisconsin for
The notch is on the right side. There's your firing order.
Victor Harry 4 David Wisconsin motor.
Victor Harry 4 David, Wisconsin. Your rotor spins counterclockwise. 1, 3, 4, 2. Do you have part number on that cap and rotor?
Napa, yeah.
Do you have it handy?
It's in the book. Well, right down there is a cap. We got a book.
There's your Napa cap. I think this may be the rotor. Yeah, I bet that's it. There's your rotor number.
Oh, you did get it.